Hi Year 10s, in this video we're looking at drawing lines from an equation, and so that's where we've got both a y-intercept like here, y-intercept, and we've also got a gradient, and so the number in front of x is the gradient and the number being subtracted or added is the y-intercept. So remember the gradient is rise over run, so for this one the rise over run would be 2 over 1. And our y-intercept is just -4. So if we're going to draw this, we'll need to set up a set of axes. Okay, so there's my set of axes. So I'm going to start with my y-intercept, which is -4. So that's right down here. And then my gradient, which is rise 2, run 1. So up 2, across 1, up 2, across 1, up 2, across 1. And when I've got enough points to make a line, I get out my ruler and draw in a nice straight line. And it's also a good habit to get into to label the graph that you write. So that's y equals 2x minus 4. Okay, so let's look at our second example here. So remember again that we start with the y-intercept. So that's +1, so that's our y-intercept. So let's draw that on our graph. There's my y-intercept. And then our gradient, so our gradient for this one is -2 over 3, so -2 over 3. So that means that we're going to go down 2 across 3. So from our y-intercept down 2 across 3, there's our next point. I should really do it in the same colour. And then down 2 across 3. And then if we want to continue that pattern the other way, we can. And once we've got enough points to string together, we can get our ruler out and let's make that a little bit longer and join all those points together. And once again, it's a good habit to get into to write the equation of that. So y equals -2 over 3x plus 1. So it's really quite simple. You do the y-intercept first and then the gradient after that. And you can see here I've put two graphs on 2 lines on one graph. I think 3 on one graph is fine. So when you're doing exercise 13.08, make sure that you don't do too many lines on one graph. 3 on one graph is plenty. Okay, so have a go at 13.08, and that's it.